Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. We have another really cool truck today to lift for you guys, and this one carries a little story with it too. This customer's name is Jason. He is from Galveston, Texas. He drove 13 hours through the night to be here this morning, and we got here at 8 o'clock this morning. He was in the parking lot, so he made it to his appointment on time. Here's our truck. We were super blessed this morning. It's very, very foggy here in Georgia, which means there's not a lot of sun and there's not a lot of shadows and glares on my truck here, so I can film it and you can see it really good in high definition. First on the channel, and I don't know why this is a first, because you would think that I would do, some of these, but this is the first long bed we've done. It's not bad looking. I'm really not a fan of long beds typically, but this one doesn't look so stretched out to me. It looks pretty much like a short bed, just with a little bit extra on it. I think the truck will look bigger overall once it's lifted because of the length of it, but this truck's absolutely gorgeous. I love this red color. I love the fender trim that he did. He did the color matched here. He did the dark, I think these are the Recon lights, or if they're not, they're probably another equivalent brand, but it takes that big orange glare off the top of that, the whole piece being orange. This is a, I may have said 2500 a minute ago. This is actually a 3500. Didn't realize that. The only thing different is a little bit of the rear suspension and stuff like that, but this lift kit works on either truck. So 6.6 Duramax as usual. Taking a look at the inside of the truck. Very, very pretty interior. This AT4 has the black leather with the brown stitching and the brown, extra pieces here. AT4 badge there on the center console. The inside of the truck's very, very similar to the Denali's and all those trucks, that you guys see me do on the channel. Big screen on the center here, and then big screen on your gauge cluster. This is that gift he gave me. Check it out. I haven't even pulled it out of the box yet. DJI. Jesus. Yeah, I'm gonna have to play around with this and see what I can figure out. It looks like it has 2 microphones maybe. Yeah, awesome. Then it comes with the sad part is I don't even know what these are called, but I know what they're for, to block the wind out. That's very, very cool of him. Like I said, I'm not used to getting anything as a gift like this, so this is a new one for me, and I really appreciate it. So stay tuned and check out the truck and let me know what you guys think. Wheels we're going to put on this truck are the Vossen HFX-1. This is a hybrid forged wheel. It's a concave wheel from Vossen. It's new this year. Looks absolutely amazing, and it pairs up nicely with the Toyo Open Country RT Trail. This tire is very smooth and quiet. It carries a 45,000 mile warranty, so if you guys are into making a truck ride like it's stock with a off-road tire on it, this is the tire for you. Well, we've got our 2025 red GMC 2500 AT4 ready to go, and I couldn't be happier with the truck. I have a new friend and a new customer named Jason that came by the shop. He drove all the way from Galveston, Texas last night, which is about 13 hours to get this lift kit done. That's crazy to me. I've told you guys many times on the channel, it's insane that that we're the only ones in the country that you can trust to do this. I'm not saying we're the only shop, but to these customers that are buying this stuff, you know, they're looking for this on the internet. They're finding us, they're calling us, they know we can do it. They see that we've done it before. And the fact that they will take a chance on somebody like me and drive 13 hours to get a lift kit done, I really appreciate it. It's insane, but I'm thankful. So he actually gave me a new microphone that I'm very, very stoked about. I mean, I got a DJI microphone that's it's probably a $200, $300 microphone, and I've been wanting one for a while, but I just haven't bought one because the money obviously is kind of high. So very, very thankful of that. He did not have to do that. You guys don't have to bring me stuff, but I really appreciate it when you do. It makes me feel good about, you know, about the whole process. So behind me, you can see the truck. I'm going to flip the camera around and show you everything we did to it, and I want you guys to let me know what you think in the comments about the truck and all that. So if you have any questions, you know, just feel free to reach out. Here's our truck once again. Like I said, it's a 2025 GMC 2500 AT4. It's a brand new truck. Like I said, he drove it all the way from Texas. Everything's good with the truck, and he's about to drive it all the way back. I wanted to go over everything that we did to the truck. I guess I'll start out with saying that we did the 4-inch McGaughys lift kit. This is a brand new part number that just was released by McGaughys a couple of months ago. This is probably the 4th or 5th one we've done. Absolutely love the way it looks on the truck. It's very clean and sleek, and you know, it's not so big and crazy like those 7 to 9 inch kits. The good thing about this kit is even though it's a 4-inch kit, it's kind of like McGaughys 7 to 9 inch kit where it's adjustable from 7 to 9. This one's adjustable from 4 to 6. So being that we were doing 37-inch tires on the truck, I figured, hey, we might as well, you know, do the adjusting up a little bit so we don't have to cut as much on the fender or the bumper of the truck. So what we did was we added the 2.5-inch lift suspension max keys. We ran them up to 2 inches. Now McGaughys does offer a torsion key that you can buy to raise this up from them, but we didn't have those keys in stock today, so we used the suspension max. Personally, I think suspension max keys are a little bit better than any of the competitors anyways, so wasn't too upset about that. McGaughys has engineered a shock for this lift kit specifically for this truck. It's called the M84 shock from McGaughys. It's one of their new ones. They're putting on a lot of different new lift kits they have. We use those, and then we use the McGaughys upper control arms, as you see here, with the polished aluminum billet caps right here. Look amazing. This truck is sitting a little bit taller in the front. It's about maybe an inch to an inch and a half taller in the front. What McGaughys does supply with the lift kit, though, is in the rear, they give you a shim. If you look, well, let me show you here. If you look here, you can see those shims. They're very, very tough to see. They go right on top of the lift block, and they give you an extra inch of height, so it sort of sets a little bit more level. Personally, I like the way the truck looks like this. Let me know, you know, what you think in the comments. Should it be more level or what do you think? Also, this is like one of the first long bed trucks that I've ever put on the channel. I haven't seen too many of them, but it doesn't look too bad. Going to the tires and wheels, you know, I always promote Nitto and Toyo tires. A lot of you may know this, a lot of you may not, but Nitto and Toyo are the same company. Toyo actually owns the brand Nitto, so any of their tires are the best in my opinion. They're good for load, you know, load hauling, high weight. They're very, very smooth and quiet, and they last a whole long time. So this is the Toyo Open Country RT Trail in the 37 12 50 22. This is a 12-ply tire with a 45,000 mile warranty. Moving on to the wheel, this is the all-new Vossen HFX-1 in the gloss black finish, 22x10 with a negative, I think it's a negative 19 offset. Truck looks amazing with these wheels on it. The good thing about it, the wheel doesn't stick way far out past the fender like some of these 14 wides or 16 wides do, so I think it's very, very nice. I think the trend is kind of moving that direction. Smaller wheels with less poke. A lot of people are seeming to call in about that more often. Let me know what you think about the truck and all. If you have any questions about this truck, or you want a price on something similar or something else, you know where I'm at. I'm at Southern Tire, McDonough, Georgia. Phone number here is 678-994-9180. Guys, I appreciate it. Thank you.